Grandmother's remedy for perfect skin. It clears the spots of the skin like a razor. Unfortunately, not everyone can boast of the healthy color of the skin and the beautiful tone without shades of gray or yellow. These deficiencies, in addition to the spots on the skin and an unfortunate tan, you can hide them under a ton of cosmetics. But if we have so much desire to look fresh and young from the moment when we wake up in the morning, you can consult a facial beautician, but their services are not cheap, as are the pharmacy medicines, which, moreover, will not necessarily be appropriate for your skin type. Therefore, natural remedies can be a good solution. There are certain products that clean the skin and lighten the spots. 1. Zinc and selenium. The appearance of spots on the skin shows the lack of these two elements so important for beauty. Diversify your diet with the high-content products of these components. Consume oats, dried fruits, milk, corn, lentils, fish and seafood, liver and sesame. These remedies will help you to lighten the skin, make it fresher and make the stains less noticeable. If someone in your environment suffers from such a problem, do not hesitate to share this article with them. 2. Berry juice. It will serve viburnum, blueberries or currants. Squeeze the juice from a handful of fresh berries, soak a piece of gauze in it and put a poultice on the face. Leave on skin for 15 minutes. Then wash your face. Pour a few drops of water into a teaspoons of soda to achieve the consistency of porridge. Apply the remedy obtained to the problematic parts of the skin. You can lightly massage your facial skin. Wash your face. 3. Lemon juice. If you are not allergic to citrus, you can make yourself a mask of sour cream and lemon juice. Mix these two ingredients in the ratio of 1:1 and apply the mixture to the face. Leave it for 15 minutes, then wash your face. 4. Rub a garlic. Rubbing a garlic in the skin is done from ancient times. It is also very effective. Test it. Garlic is high in essential oils that perfectly whiten the skin and lighten the stains. Simply cut a peeled tooth in half and wipe your face with it several